love, O God, that knew us, earth's foundation long before. That same love to Jesus drew us by its sweet constraining power, and will keep us, and will keep us safely now and evermore. God of love, our souls adore Thee. We would still Thy grace proclaim, till we cast our crowns before Thee, and in glory praise Thy name. Praise and worship, praise and worship be to God.